Hello guys, we are back with another video, and ooh, do you like the new microphone? Bet it sounds really nice. But yeah, so basically, because of my growing population, I am going to be uploading a lot more frequently, and that's a good thing. So, but today's video is going to be on cutscenes. So we just got a little thing set up here, right? This is it just moves Scratch Cat, but basically we want the cutscene to trigger when it is touching something. All right, so in this case it's going to be touching Pico. We're gonna say when this is clicked forever, if touching Pico or Sprite 2, we are going to make a new variable called cutscene. All right, if I'm touching Pico, then we are going to set cutscene to Pico. We're gonna set cutscene to 0. All right, so now if we touch Pico, it's gonna set cutscene to Pico. So my preferred method is to just entirely make a new sprite that is called cutscene. I mean, I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this is just my preferred way of doing things. All right, so now it's going to say when this is clicked forever, if cutscene equals 0, then we are gonna hide and go to back layer. But we're gonna say if cutscene equals Pico show, and then we are gonna go to front layer. All right, we're gonna switch to costume cat A, and so this is what's gonna happen. See, we walk into him. Holy moly, it's the cutscene. And then if you wanna you can add things to the cutscene. So you can do start sound, or we could. So I don't know if you guys are gonna hear this, but this is basically what your cutscenes can look like. Hey Pico, did you watch the game last night? Yeah, Scratch Cat, that was a pretty balling game. Hey Pico, did you watch the game last night? So yeah, basically you can do that. And then at the end of this, what I usually do is I set cutscene back to 0. Then we can add another thing that says, you know, wait and see, because it just keeps repeating over and over. So how do we fix that issue? Well, we say that we are going to set cutscene to 0, and then we are gonna Pico, and then we are gonna wait until not touch. We're gonna wait until not touching Pico. So that is going to look like this. Hey Pico, did you watch the game last night? Yeah, Scratch Cat, that was a pretty balling game. So then you can hey Pico, you know, did you watch the game last? So that was just a quick rundown of the how to do cutscenes. But yeah, basically I recorded a cutscene video and then I lost the audio for it, so I just re-recorded this. But I made a cutscene for if you press space and you you are looking at the caution tape. Subscribe to be a part of the Gerald Jagra. I'll see you next time. Bye.